everybody. Hello, Colleen. How are you?
Hi, Liam. I'm well. You?
I'm good.
Yeah.
One of the features that we're talking about this month is this video is, I would say, a pain point for both students and faculty, and Anthology's got an answer for it. So pretty exciting. This is our closer look at one of the features from the Ultra LMS 3900.114 release that is April 2025, and it is all around feedback. It is, let me just get my slides moving. There we go. It is our number 2 pick from this release, and that is that they've replaced the feedback column on the student side with actionable results column in the student gradebook. So real quick, we'll go over some of the information here. So to encourage students to review their submitted assessments in the gradebook, a new results column replaces the feedback column. There is a view button in the new results column that replaces the feedback column's purple icon. So next slide will make more sense, but this has all been cleaned up to make it easier and more intuitive for students to access their feedback. So when we look at this from a student perspective, this is what it looks like currently prior to the April release. There's a little purple dot on the far left side to say, hey, there's something new here. You'll also see up at the top where it says gradebook. It says there are three items for their attention. So that's there. And then on the far right-hand side is a little speech bubble icon, and that is the indicator that there's feedback. That's how it has been for quite some time. And now with the April 2025 release, that's going to get a little bit of an update. So with this new release, you'll see that when students come in, those dots have been taken away. They're not sitting over on the side there, but you do see on that far left side, or far right side, sorry, the results column with a button that says view. So it's not a question of like, what does that icon mean? It's a button that will take the students straight to their feedback, making it nice and easy for faculty or for students to view their feedback and help faculty feel confident that the feedback that they're given to students is worthwhile. So that's really the new release includes that. Alongside this is our number 1 pick that goes right alongside with the idea of looking at feedback. So, but I'm not going to spoil that one. If you want to know more, then check out our other video, which is on its way, or watch our Fave 5 and 5 if you just gotta know. It's in there too. So that's a nice short one today, Colleen. I don't know if I should just keep talking to stretch this one out, or
it's shorter than the 5 and 5, which is, I'm sure, a real thorn in your side right now.
It is a little bit, not gonna lie, which is why I'm still talking. But yeah, so that is it actually for this one. Hopefully this makes it easier for students and faculty. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like it, subscribe to our channel if you're finding this helpful, share it with your friends. And for faculty here at Georgian College, don't forget we've got our drop-in sessions every Tuesday and Friday morning at 10:30 a.m. If you're looking for that, the session links are in your Blackboard calendar. That's it for this one. Hey, Colleen.
Well done.
All right. Okay. All right. Thanks for joining us, everybody. See you next time.